Over 8,000 live television channels from all over the world are available for free. Most of them stream in glorious full high definition. You can enjoy this massive catalog on any Android device including Firesticks, Android phones, and your Nvidia Shield. This process requires zero registration, no mouse toggle, and you can get everything working in just a few clicks. Welcome back to TechVibes. In this video, we are going to walk you through the ultimate advanced setup to unlock thousands of global live channels instantly. Let us jump right in. Step 1 is to install the downloader application on your device. Open up the app and make a quick connection by typing in the short code 53402. Press the play button on your remote to launch the search. Once the website loads, click on the hamburger menu icon at the top of the screen. Select the tutorial section and open the guide for getting over 8,000 live television channels. Step 2 is to download the premium media player and the custom legal channel list. Scroll down the web page until you locate the application named TV Mate. If you are using an Android TV device, you can skip this download and grab the app directly from the official Google Play Store. For Amazon Firestick users, click the green download button to install TV Mate. Once that is complete, press the back button and click on the legal playlist file download. Click the green download button again to save the custom channel file directly onto your storage. Step 3 is to launch your media player and load your local file. Click the home key on your remote and go to your main application list. Scroll down and open the newly installed TV Mate application. Click on the Add Playlist option on the initial setup screen. Select the local playlist option and grant the app storage permissions. Click on Internal Storage and open the Downloader folder. Select the official legal playlist file to begin the automatic data import process. Step 4 is to initialize the configuration and verify the channel load. Leave the playlist name as default. Click Next and then click Done to let the player finalize the list sync. You will immediately see that over 8,300 global channels have successfully loaded. Long press the OK button on your remote to bring up the main control panel. Press left on your directional pad to view the organized content grid. Step 5 is to navigate the organized categories and full screen your media. The player automatically sorts the streams into sections like action, comedy, cooking, and documentary. Scroll down to the international section to find over 5,700 global streams. Highlight a channel and press the select button on your remote to load a quick preview. Press the select button a second time to expand the video into a full-screen high-definition picture. You can now press down on your directional pad to flip through channels instantly, just like traditional cable television. Step 6 is to build a customized favorites folder for fast access. Searching through thousands of streams can become unmanageable. To fix this, select any working stream that you enjoy and press the context key on your remote. The context key is the button with the 3 lines. Press left on the pop-up menu and select Add to Favorites. Repeat this quick process for your top news, movie, and sports channels. You can now scroll to the absolute top of the category menu to access your customized favorites list instantly without scrolling through the main catalog. You must use NordVPN to run smoothly any apps in the device. High-density live television playlists can experience severe network buffering and sudden playback errors caused by your internet service provider. A premium VPN completely hides your streaming traffic and stops provider throttling instantly. The official NordVPN installation link is mentioned in the description and comments below. Click that special link to secure your connection and run your application smoothly today. Stop paying for expensive cable bundles when you can get thousands of global channels completely free. Drop a like on this video if this live television setup helped you out. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about importing the channel file. Smash that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tech fixes. Thank you for watching TechVibes, and I will see you in the next video.